Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to keep lock for hidden photos in your iPhone. So it's really simple. So all you have to do is go to your settings and then scroll down until you find your apps. From there you want to locate your photos by going to letter P. So just find letter P right here, which is here. So P, you want to go to photos basically. You want to go down basically and then look for this hidden album. So your hidden album is what enables you to hide your photos. So how to keep lock for your hidden iPhone is this is one thing that you can do. So instead of showing it in your photos so that it won't show at all, just untoggle this switch and then toggle it when you need it back in your photos to access it. So untoggle it for the moment so that you will have to keep your lock for the hidden photos in your iPhone so that it won't show in your photo section at all. So it's just that simple to keep lock for hidden photos in your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.